Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy travels with everyone.
Just in case you guys want to see an actual real in-depth of all the clothes we're bringing to Disney.
It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know.
So Hayden is basically back to being packed. His stuff is easy. Why can't I be a guy? This is just like, this is simple. Like, this is what he needs. He has the bare minimum. I did put in a sweatshirt. Well, we need that. I don't know. Maybe we're gonna run around Hawaii at 2 a.m. The granite. Hey Google, what temperature is it in Honolulu right now? Yeah, it's 70 degrees and it's like, what, 4 a.m.? So, you know, might not need that. We'll see. Yeah, my side is still a complete disaster. I have no idea what I'm going to do. Let's figure that out. Okay, guys, I just stopped packing for a minute and I thought, let's just have a sit down and go through this. What I think I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to bring basically what I was bringing to Disney and just take a full vacation. Like, I'm not going to plan out every single day and do that crazy stuff. Like, maybe this is just the way it's supposed to be. I know that sounds dumb and, like, usually I look awful. Awful. Wow. Cute. Usually I don't think that I would, I don't know, be this way. I always plan everything down to the last second and, like, maybe this just isn't the trip for it. Maybe this is telling me that, hey, you need a vacation, just relax and not run around and do stuff all the time. I honestly don't really know. Anyways, I think I'm just going to throw it all in a suitcase and say forget it. I've added a couple dresses, but am I just going to do that? I added dresses and I think you saw I added swimsuits. But I think, I mean, we don't even know what we're doing yet. I don't even know if it's going to go live. I don't even know if we're going to go to Hawaii. Oh, sister, you're going. Yet. Like, this is all still up in the air because it all the, excuse my language, shit hit the fan last night at 8 p.m. So, I don't know. For right now, it's Hawaii. And I guess that's what we're gonna go with, I guess. I also want to talk about how I privated the Disney videos. So I did private what makeup I bring to Disney and skincare and everything. And my packing tips for Disney. I think later on I'm gonna make those public again. But right now I just don't want. Sorry, I got interrupted. Hayden was texting me about I sent him a picture of our bed. It's a nightmare. I don't think all my stuff is gonna fit in a carry-on. Probably because I'm just randomly throwing it in there because this isn't me, because I plan everything to the last minute. Stressed. Also, you guys, I just want to describe to you what happened last night, or I guess no, it was this morning. Last night I didn't sleep, so it's still yesterday apparently. I also want to show you here. I'll show you this first. My sister got me this adorable bracelet. I'm not 100% sure what the company is, but it's got this cute little grayish lavender string, and it has all these little gold beads on it for my birthday, and it's for the 21 years I've been alive. It's so cute. I love it. I've been wearing it constantly. They're like, it's so me. It's so, like, dainty and cute. Anyways, so, thing I wanted to talk about. was how Hayden introduced the idea of going to Hawaii. So basically, I was really upset about Disney, and he gave me, I think, four or five options, one or two. We'll find out in a minute, obviously. He said we could either sit around and mope all week, because it was sad. I could pick the place where we were going. I could make some suggestions of where we could go. He could pick where we are going, or we could go to Hawaii, and he had a hotel and an airline lined up. How cute and romantic is that? Like, are you kidding me? That's so sweet. I don't know. That was just... And apparently he had, like, looked at it all night because he had showed me the hotel right when we woke up. And it was just really romantic and cute. And I really appreciated it. And that just shows how much, you know, he really cares about me. I don't know. I knew that anyways. He's just so sweet. So, yeah, once he gets home from work, we are picking our hotel and everything. And I guess just getting this show on the road. Originally, I think we were going to take 2 carry-ons. Now I think we're going to check a bag and 1 carry-on. And then our personal items. Or 1 checked bag, 2 carry-ons. 2 personal items. That's a lot. Even for me, that's a lot to pack. But, since I'm just hucking everything in a suitcase now and not planning anything on it anyways. 4 bags? 4 bags.
Hey, babe.